On the left is gully, on the right is gully. Yeah, top to bottom. But look at the catwalk. I'm ready for it, so let's go. I don't know why, but I'm first. Just take this and just brush. Pretty cool, isn't it? Strong, brutalist. This ice is like so dangerous. I'm going to use some salt.
You are watching Ecam TV, Elton Campbell Television. Comment, subscribe, like, and share.
Hello everybody, it's Wednesday, February 12, 2025. I have a class here at Kiel campus of York University at 4 p.m. I've been here since 2:30, just chilling, eating some food and relaxing. The weather advisory indicates that there is going to be a winter storm this evening. It's going to be a lot of snow and wind and all of that. I know here in Canada they love to sensationalize the weather, so I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I'm still here and I'm here early and I'm ready for it, so let's go. I'm ready for it and I'm ready for class at 4 o'clock this evening. So I'm here on the terrace between Vary Hall and the Ross Humanities and Social Sciences building. Yeah, and I'm just looking at this beautiful view right here of this strong, brutalist kind of architecture. This ice is like so dangerous because this is so frozen. This is so slippery. Like, yeah, this is dangerous to walk on. Yeah, I'm inside Vary Hall now. Look at my silhouette. But look at it. Yeah, so I'm going back inside now. This is why I am so concerned and feel so uncomfortable to take these stairs at Vary Hall to go to the second or third floor. The architecture makes someone like myself very dizzy. Look at the architecture. It's like the stairs is tilting to one side. Yeah, and it's like gully. On the left is gully, on the right is gully. This is amazing architecture, but this amazement, I can't manage it. So I'm first in class today. I don't know why, but I'm first. This is really unusual at Kiel campus. Me being here first. Wow. Cat usually walks through my area. I walk on my walkway and catwalk. That kind of rhyme. That makes sense. Catwalk. And those are the cat's paw print. Right there. It snowed. The chair is covered with some snow. That pile is like that little mountain is snow that I've been shoveling throughout the months onwards, and yeah, it's snow. Look at my shoes sinking in the snow, and there's a lot of snow on my staircase, you know. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna clear all of this snow. So it's walkable, if there is such a word. It's walkable again. I think for this section, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start at the top of the stairs and I'm gonna make my way down to clear all of this area. So I'm gonna start with, yeah, top to bottom. See, I got one of the stairs so far, right here. Don't know if you can see it. And it's a lot of snow, and I'm gonna clear all of it. Yeah, the only way I can get to the top is by clearing the middle because I can't reach that area. Well, I can't reach that area to the top unless I clear some parts below. So I'm gonna actually start in the middle. Sorry for my running nose, but it's gonna happen because it's cold out. I've gotten most of the snow down, so I'm just getting the little extras. I'm getting them down to shovel one side. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm getting the extra ones down here. Yeah. So I've gotten majority of the snow. I've gotten down the stairway. Before I do more neating up, because I'm gonna make here so neat. It's like snow never fell. You know? Don't feel sorry for me. I actually enjoy this and I wish it would snow a lot more so I can do this more often. I enjoy shoveling snow. I'll be starting at the top of the stairway, and I will be using this brush to get the extra snow off the stairway, and I just brush it off because when I'm done I want everything to be really neat and clean. So I'll be doing that right now. Just take this and just brush. I'm going to use some salt in some of the areas just to prevent slippage. Not using much because a lot of melting will not happen in this area. However, a lot of melting does happen in these corners where you have more snow packed to the corner, and in this corner too. Remember, the walkway was totally covered. Now it's so clear. See all of that? All of that is cleared. That's what was shoveled. The chair is no longer covered in snow because I cleared it off. The little kitty cat paw prints are gone. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, my class is online today. I'm gonna just refresh myself a bit and then log into class. Look at this tree with the snow on it. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that.
You are watching Ecam TV, Elton Campbell Television. Comment, subscribe, like, and share.